Alright, you guys, today we got Kadarius Toney. Now, we all seen Kadarius Toney in the NFL. Disappointment. Yeah. But, in college, human joystick. 1.6 million views. Let's see what he got, bro. Let's see what he got. Hey, no more talking, bro. No more talking, bro. I just want to see some. I just want to see you most shiftiest guy in the league. Holy shit, these highlight, bro. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, but hey. Oh shit. Oh, he's still going.
Multiple injured Seminoles back near the line of scrimmage.
Yeah, show me that again, bro. Holy shit.
Watch this cut. I mean, right here. This kid is absolutely electric. Not many guys can put their foot in the ground and change direction as quickly as Kadarius does.
Okay, you showed us the... Okay, oh, I'm not gonna lie. 5 times in a row is kind of insane, guys.
Suffered an injury on a play where there wasn't contact made with him. Watch his left leg as he plans to try and make this tackle on Kadarius Toney.
Oh shit! Oh, he tore his ACL!
Trask has all day. Here's Toney.
Whoa! Shit! Oh my gosh! Damn! Lower that shoulder then! Oh, damn! Yo, I want to try that. Hold on. That nigga said, ooh, god damn. Oh, hell no. Never mind. You got that shit. The fuck? This nigga lied the laws of physics, bro? How do you do that?
This is ridiculous. His knee might have come down there, but I don't care. That was unbelievable.
Shit.
He's a contortionist.
Got your ass. Oh my god, he made him kiss. Damn, stiff arm him. Damn. He should have become a running back or something, bro. Here we go. He's gone. Shit. Damn. Keep going! Damn it! Oh my gosh, bro. He juked his ass. He said that he made that nigga's head go back like that, bro. Do you know how shit you have to be to make a nigga's head go back like that, bro? When your ass got juked? Like we all know the casual dive and the casual like that, but that nigga's head jerked back like that, bro. You know how insane you gotta be? That's tough. What the fuck was that highlight, bro? Oh shit, never mind. Okay, never mind. Shit! This nigga just does that shit for real. He got his stupid ass. Holy shit. No wonder why I picked this nigga at pick 20, bro. Bro. Oh my. There's no way. This nigga just ran across the field and shit, bro. Stiff arm him. Shit.
Reversal of field for Kadarius. Just trust him. I know he's a receiver. I know he doesn't throw you the ball much, but he's gonna get it out there. This time Toney will just keep it himself. He got a key block and he stayed on his feet.
What the fuck? No. What the fuck was that? What did he just do? Wait, what did he just do?
He do that. He was like a gymnast sticking the landing and he took a divot out of the yard.
No, what did he just do?
Wow.
What the fuck? This nigga just... How do you do that? I've never never seen somebody juke like that before. I've never seen somebody juke like that before. This nigga put his head down and did that. I've never even thought about doing that move before, bro. I'm telling you, I know the occasional that and that, bro. I've never seen somebody do that shit before. I've seen somebody step back. This nigga's crazy. No. This nigga's crazy. No. This nigga's crazy. I've never seen that juke before in my life. I've never. Go back. Hold on. Oh no. We're not. No. Go all the way back, my nigga. Go all the way back. Yes. Go to this right here. I've never seen some shit like this ever in my life. This nigga. Who the fuck? This nigga's like, how the fuck did he do that? Who the hell? How do you think of doing that shit?
A gain of 19. Wow.
Who thinks of doing that?
Toney gets a block, and he's a blazer. A dynamic guy. They'll use him all.
He's still up?
Still going. Kadarius, Toney. They won't catch him.
What the fuck? No, this is just making me mad now. What the hell? How it, bro? I still never seen somebody do that juke before ever in my life. And if you've done it before, hey, teach me. The fuck? Hey, teach me, nigga. Your ass getting cooked. Stiff arm your ass. There's still more highlights, bro.
Toney, the Wildcat quarterback, gets the first.
Yeah, put this nigga. Yeah, put him on return, please, bro. I would put him on return.
Jones to throw. Beautiful ball downfield.
Oh shit.
And a chance for Toney to run after the catch.
Did this nigga just? This nigga just juked this nigga without even trying. He didn't even look at this nigga. He juked him. Look at this nigga. Why is your head turning this way, my nigga?
Kadarius, Toney is in the backfield. And they give it to the speed.
Stiff arm.
Ready for it, but pure speed.
Toe tap. Good toe. Good one toe. You know what I'm saying? Get his ass. Juke.
This is going to be a double pass. Toney to the end zone.
Oh, he throws the football too. Nice.
Brutal start to SEC play for Tennessee. And Kadarius, Toney breaking free for Florida.
I'd rather go insane, rather wear a mask. Yeah.
Toney might take it.
Yeah. I can't even lie to you guys. I've never seen that juke before in my life. I don't like. Can someone please just like tell me where that juke come from? Like. The fact that this nigga did that juke, and then this nigga's knees were touching the ground and he still juked the nigga out. How to have that insane amount of balance? He has it, bro. If you're new here, like, subscribe, do all that, bro. I'm tired. I'm done. I'm absolutely done. We're out of here.